Hey guys, so since the last one, just realised just how lucky this is. I didn't plan it out, but I've now got a massive string to show you guys for string indexing. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So what I want to do is I want to type in test, because this is the name of our big string that we've got. I hope you guys have kept it. If not, just make a string any length really. But what we need to do here is we need to start introducing the concept of an array. So if we hit the 0 and hit enter, we've got a capital C. So I know quite a few jokes regarding a capital C, but I'm going to just skip that. Now, as you can see, we've got C. Now, where's the capital C in this test string? It's right at the start. So now this is where the arrays come into effect. An array is just basically a position where a letter is stored, or where something is stored. Now here we've got Chris Pratt is the whole lot of blah blah blahs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do test 10. Whoop, probably need to put a close on the end of that. And we've got T. Now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yeah, that was a bit unlucky. We did kind of have 3 T's in a row there, but when dealing with arrays, you count from 0 upwards because it always starts at 0. Now you can solve this problem in a number of manners in programming, but we're just going to leave it as basic at the moment. You'll get used to it if you're not already, but let's just say we use test 23. Now hopefully we're going to get something here. We're going to get an I. So probably this I or this I. I'm not going to really worry about that, but I'll show you something that we can do with that on the next tutorial. Now the last thing that we're going to do is we're going to do test. We're going to do -3. So if we hit this, we've got an E. As you can see over here, we've got an E. So that's what we've done. Using the negative, we start from the other end. So this is 0, and this is -1, -2, -3, so on all the way back to number 1. Now I'm just hearing my Facebook page go off in the room that my partner's sleeping in, so I might need to go in a second. But I can wonder if you're thinking, but firstly we'll just, one thing that you're thinking, but firstly we'll just do this and we'll go with 4. Now we know that 4 is going to be a blank, so we've got a little space here. And we'll do -5 just to show you, and to close the brackets, and we've got an L. Okay, so now what you're probably thinking is that we've done -3 and it's E, but I told you that arrays always start from 0. So what would be the first position in this? When we do test -1, we get shown that D is -1. Now this might be a bit confusing, but it really gets a bit more simpler when you think what test -0 is. Because test -0 is the exact same as 0, because it's starting from the same point. Sure, it's a little bit messy, and we've got to realize that we're starting here, but then when we go back -1, we go all the way to the other end, so it does get a little bit confusing. But once you understand the concept that -0 is the same as 0, which shouldn't be that hard, and -1 starts at the other end, that's where we've got to get to the understanding that this is where it happens. It might be a bit complicated, it might seem a bit stupid, but once you get used to it, it'll be natural to you. So anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.